In this video, we will show you how to assemble your Greenworks edger. This guide can be followed for all Greenworks 40-volt and 48-volt battery-operated edger models. Be advised, your unit may look slightly different, however, these instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Tools required. You will need an Allen key and a Phillips head screwdriver. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the packing material and any loose unassembled parts. Carefully lift the edger out of the box and set it on a level surface. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product and confirmed it works properly. Assembling the shaft. Remove the rubber protector. Line up the top and bottom shafts. Loosen the screw on the middle coupler using the supplied Allen key. Align the release button with the positioning hole and slide the two shafts together until the release button pops into place. Retighten the screw on the coupler. Attach the auxiliary handle. Remove the two bolts using a Phillips head screwdriver. Place the auxiliary handle on top of the trimmer shaft and place the lower clamp underneath. Insert the bolts through the handle so the threads engage with the clamp. Tighten them until the handle is secure. Keep hands and feet away from the edger blade. Check that there are no people, pets, or loose objects nearby. Thrown objects can ricochet and result in personal injury or property damage. Wear gloves and eye protection when operating. Protective clothing and boots are also recommended. If you purchase a complete kit, including a battery and a charger, please be advised that the batteries are not shipped fully charged. It is recommended to fully charge each battery before use to ensure that the maximum runtime can be achieved. Before starting the edger, the power source must be connected. The lockout button is on top of the handle. It must be fully depressed before the motor can be started. The trigger is underneath the handle. Press the lockout button and hold. While holding the lockout button, engage the trigger. The unit will stay on as long as the trigger is squeezed. Please note, once the edger is running, the lockout button can be released. However, some operators will find it more comfortable to keep it engaged. To stop the saw, release the trigger. Before adjusting the cutting depth, remove the battery. Loosen the depth adjustment knob. Slide the wheel into the desired position. Retighten the knob. For additional videos on how to maintain and operate your edger, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks edger will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.